description.
Miles and Mimi doing art. Miles and Mimi doing art. Miles and Mimi doing art.
All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we got one from Nongshim. Nongshim means farmer's heart in Korean. This is Sun Tofu Noodle, and it has a big old block of tofu in there. So let's give this a try. Normally with these things, these Nongshim bowls, I tend to microwave them. But today I thought, I'm not going to microwave it. Okay, so where's the sachet? There it is. I don't want a repeat of that. I had one last month? I think? Maybe the month before that I did that. I lost the sachet, and there was only one sachet that went with the noodle. It was a German, I can't remember what flavor it was. I want to say it was miso. And there was really no coming back. I didn't know what to do, so I just had to kind of not do much anything. That sucked. But not today. And here is our tofu. So it says you fill it to the line, which is way low. I don't know how you're, but it says you're supposed to that helps a little. You're supposed to kind of stack it up like this. Almost looks like a big weird pat of butter. Here, let's try it that way. That might work. And then we fill it to the line with water and let it sit for 4 minutes, covered. Whoa. Well, I see what the tofu's doing. I don't know that I'm stoked on that. Hey, look at that, I didn't make a mess. That's pretty impressive. So, for 4 minutes. It is Wednesday, and as is the way on Wednesday, it's the stupid song. On Wednesdays, the kids have a weird short day. I didn't have that when I was a kid. Did you? Comment if you want. But yeah, they got this short day on Wednesdays, and my son Miles was doing something funny the other day. He's always had this make-believe thing about having his own TV station and calling it Explorer TV. Well, he's gotten really, really, really into music, and he has been for a while, but now he's into just sitting there, and he's got his tablet he's messing with, and then he's got his Chromebook, which is on a radio station, and then he's got a calculator. I mean, yeah. And now he's doing hey, this is Miles for Explorer Radio, and it's blah 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 time. It's this temperature outside. And blah blah blah. I mean, it's he's getting the banter. He's doing it without the big long pauses. You know what I mean? Yeah, maybe that's gonna be his gig. Maybe he'll be a like a radio or some kind of announcer. That'd be rad. That'd be rad. I've always wanted to do that. If he ended up doing that, I'd be pretty jealous. But we'll see. He'll do something cool. That much I know. And yeah, it's the 5th, right? Yeah, it is the 5th. I think I said it was the 4th in the last episode, but it's the 5th. And in 3 days, my daughter's going to have her first softball practice. And I think we're all really excited to see how that goes. I can't wait. If she will hit the ball or catch the ball or throw it. I'm pretty sure if it hits you in the head, it doesn't feel soft. So I think that's something to avoid. At least for the first 5 or 6 practices. You don't want to get hit in the head with a softball. They're not soft. They're just fuzzy. As I remember, I think, aren't they fuzzy on the outside? Oh. I gotta fold this side too. I am preparing this packaging item for going into the binder. Yeah, I save it all. I know. Before I finish up that binder I got going over there, I'll show you guys the insanity. I fill up a binder, I take clear sheets and then put pieces of paper in there, slide in all the noodle packaging, and do it until it's just like ridiculously full. Like right now it's out like that. And then I take strapping tape and I just go around it a couple times as tightly as possible. Then it goes into the vault. Yes, the vault, which is anywhere I could find that it'll fit. So yeah, I've got at least, I'm gonna guess I've got close to 20 of them. I've been doing them since like review 600. I think I've been saving the packaging for as many as I can. So why do I do this? Maybe I've got a little bit of the hoarding thing going. I don't know. It's kind of a representation of that I've tried it and reviewed it. There's other people that I've had comment and ask me, do you have this package? I had it and I really want one of the packages. I'm like, I'm not giving you my package, sucker. Okay, there is tofu block. This is weird. This is definitely weird. I think I want to try the tofu block first. I'm very curious about it. There's our tofu. I like tofu. Usually I like tofu puff, fried tofu, baked tofu. He's soft. Alright, and how did our noodle do? Did that get on the lens? I hope not. Okay. Did I mention this is vegan? It's a nicety that it has, an aspect. A broth. Okay. Getting a lot of seaweed, a lot of sweet. It's not bad. I mean, I know where they're going with this. It's kind of like a seafood udon kind of approach, and yeah, that's the only noise. I keep making that noise. That's generally not a sound that you really want to hear me make. I guess I could throw an egg in there. It won't be vegan anymore, but I can throw an egg in there. What's the last one? Yeah, I gotta use these eggs up. And it's not like it's going to... Here. Ah, drippy egg. I got egg on my hand. Wow, that's really, really a soft-boiled egg. Violently so. Yeah, that was a lot of oogie egg. A whole lot. Okay, what do we got next? I was thinking some narutomaki, but I didn't thaw any out. Maybe some seed? I say okay. A little mound of it right there. That sounds feasible. Oh. Just realized I didn't use any stuff on the last one I did. I got some fried onion, and that would have worked well. Anyways, Rotato, do your thing. Thank you for watching. The next one you're gonna see is this one that came out of an Akama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a 15% discount. This is Maru-shan Ganbare Ore no Shio Onion Salt Yakisoba. I think that's the full nomenclature of this one, so we'll see what happens. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.